We're going to be talking about TrueSource. This is a platform where you can monetize your data. This allows you to have another source of income based on all of the different insights and knowledge that you have in the industry. So if you're looking to create a CAS, a knowledge as a service, take a look at this walkthrough. First of all, when you go to truesource.io, you can see different ways that the page will look like. If you're familiar with something like Substack, where you're going to be able to create a newsletter, a paid newsletter, very quickly, that is the same thing that you can be doing with TrueSource. You're going to be able to create a landing page. People can opt in to get the data that you provide. And so let's take a look at their alpha program. So let's take a look. I'm going to sign in. And by the way, I'm doing this in real time so you can see what it would really look like and how easy it is. So first, I just signed in. It mentions that I do not have any projects because I just created this. I'm going to say new project. I'm going to name this Beta Build With Me Access. I'm going to do that. I'm going to change the URL to probably just, you know what? I can't change it. Okay, so it's going to make it off of the product name. Right here, I would like it to allow me to see if I can change it on my own. Maybe I'll just change product name. I'll change it to Docs. Just like our other database that we have, but it's in Notion. Maybe I could use it like this. So I'm going to upload a file. I have a beta file just to see what it looks like. Upload. Let's see. So I'm going to have to drag this in. I'm going to go to my downloads, drag in a CSV. Okay, great. Let's go back. I'll say table name. This is NYC subway stations. Let's just name that. I'm going to go with pages, list view, grid. I'll see list view, maybe a preview just so I know what it could look like, but let's go to list. Okay, wow. So here I can have a list view of everything that I'm talking about. So I'm seeing a filter right here. I can do the filtering of it. Okay. And then I can have filter. Okay, so I can export. Let's see about this. So I've got the page title, the data, links here, filters, show banner, don't show banner. Let's see about show banner. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so the docs right there. Make page public. Okay, maybe I'll just have it as just having the banner right here. That's fine. So we just looked at the pages. I can look at the data that I had. So it has my row number, object ID, station, location. Okay. And then across it, I can look across that row. I can see different things for the columns, line, notes, all of those things. Okay. Settings. I can change the theme color. It's set to blue, but I can change it if I wanted to. Let's look at the banner. I can drag and drop another image, description, and then let's see, access. Anyone can view all data. Logged in members can view all data. Paid members can view all data. So this depends on what I want to do. Maybe I wonder if I can have one page as a preview, as like, you know, if you're interested in it, you can see one of my documents, and then I can go and get, I can have other pages excluded, so then they have to opt in. But the beginning, I'm going to publish and see what it looks like. Okay, so I think this is published right now. And that is it for right now. Again, when we're looking at TrueSource, this is a brand new product that's just coming out. I'm sure there's going to be more advancements. The potential that I see with this would be taking something like Substack, where it's making it very easy for you to create a newsletter and to expand your brand. This would be allowing you to have your data already there for you and to get started very quickly. If I think about getcyberleads.com, this reminds me that you create your own very quickly. Get Cyber Leads, they're just using an Airtable base and then they monetize it from there. Having TrueSource, and if it were already having the payment processing, all of those things where I don't have to Frankenstein all of these other systems together, this allows me to go to market a lot quicker, test out my ideas, see if people are interested, and start monetizing my knowledge and monetizing my data fairly easy. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think. If you like this idea, if you've got an idea, you've got a set of data that you want to start monetizing, let me know. And also check out TrueSource. They're coming out on Product Hunt very soon. There's going to be a link down below. Check them out, talk to the founders, and we'll see you in the next video.